Alright, what we're going to do today is we're going to go back and open up your uh, projects. We're going to go here and we're going to go to the drive and we're going to look for the one that we were working on, and this one right here. Now if you can't find it and you see a bunch up there, you can always click on it and right click and choose preview. And if this is the one that you were working on, now you can go to here and it'll open up in Google Sheets for you. Alright, our first step with our sheet that we created from yesterday or from the first video is we're going to come down here to this section. I'm going to move my video down so you can really see it. It's going to be right here. It says add sheet, and you're going to click on this and then we're going to rename it. So we're going to click on that, you're going to right click on it and you're going to choose rename. When you do this, let's try it one more time because I clicked away from it. Rename. You're just going to call it money, just like I did here. Once you have that, and I'll give you a second here. Alright, once you are done with that, what I want you to do in A1, address A1, I want you to type in quantity QTW or QTY. And in cell B1 or address B1, I want you to type in amount AMT. Now, spreadsheets were mainly designed for us to use for money. So what we're going to do in A2 is we're going to give it a number 2. And in A4 or A3, we're going to give it a 4. Now our next one that we're going to do is we're going to go and grab these so that we have the autofill like this, like we were working with in the other video, and we're going to drag these down. And I believe I would like you guys to go to 18, just like I did there. And remember, Google Sheets is smart enough to know that I want to count by 2s. Alright, you'll notice again, like I said, that these will automatically change by 2. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to kind of make this smaller. So I'm going to go in between here, and I'm going to drag this over to the Y. And in the amount section, because what we mainly do with the Google Sheets is that we deal with numbers and adding, I want you guys to come here and I want you to put 1.25, and in the next one I want you to put 2.50. Again, we're going to select this and we're going to go ahead and drag these down, and you're going to see that the decimals that were in these automatically moved over. What I want you to do next is I want you to keep these all highlighted, and I want you to come up here to this thing here, because what we want from that is we want them to be a money sign, because this has to do with the amount, which is again dealing with money. So we're going to click on here and you're going to see that now all of this has changed over to money. Now remember, like I said, it automatically does that currency for you. So now the next item that we're going to do is we need to find out what the total is. So if we do buy 2 things and the amount of each one is $1.25, how much is that going to cost us? So we're going to type in the word total here. And after we have this, we're going to go and put in a formula. So the formula is going to be the equal sign. We're going to click on 2, and we're going to click on the star, and we're going to click on this, and then we're going to press enter, and you should come up with $2.50. You're going to notice that it automatically put that dollar sign in for us, which is great. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do it one more time. We're going to do the equal sign, and we're going to go and click on the 4 with the star, and we're going to click on the 250, We're going to press enter, and you'll see that it actually did that for us. Now if we highlight these two items, we can actually go and autofill all of those formulas going down. And you can see where we have all of them right here. This makes it a lot easier for us. Bye. So for this last one that we're going to do, we're going to type in total. I like to separate it. Some people want to put it right here underneath, but I like to keep it down here so I can identify it. Put the total in. What I also like to do is I like to get this thing bolded, and I want to have it over to the left, so it really brings out a significance so a person can find it. The next item you're going to go and do is you're going to click here, and we're going to add all of these items up so we know how much money we're going to need to bring with us to get all of these items that we want. So here is a really cool tool. If you click on this E and you choose the word sum, you're going to get this item right here. This is another formula, ladies and gentlemen. And what you're going to do is you're going to click here, and you're going to drag all the way down to here, and then you're going to press enter. And you will come up with this number here. I would like you to click in this number here. I want you to give me a red, and I want it to be bold. And I'd like you to do that. And the first one that's able to get this done, then you'll be able to move on to the next video. Excitement! Alright. Good luck, guys.